Hello everyone. In this video we will learn detail about the 4-year undergraduate program, that is FYUG, based on the National Education Policy NEP 2020. The FYUG course details, the number of papers to be studied and also the exam pattern is discussed in detail here in this video. Before starting this video, it must be mentioned that this is an AI-generated voice created by Doctor Mehdi Al Kausar, Assistant Professor, Science College, Kokrajhar, based on the content created by him, on the basis of the syllabus of Gauhati University, Assam. The students under Bodoland University, Kokrajhar, can check out the FYUG program details in this I button. The link for the same is shared in the description box. The 4-year undergraduate program, that is FYUG, is introduced in Assam under NEP 2020. The structure and lengths of the FYUG degree program shall be of either 3 years or 4-year duration, with multiple exit and entry options within this period, with appropriate certifications. If a student exits the program after 1 year due to any circumstances, the student will be awarded undergraduate certificate. If a student exits the program after 2 years, the student will be awarded undergraduate diploma. If the student continue till 3 years and then exit the program, he or she will be awarded bachelor degree with major and minor or minor only. But if the student completes 4-year undergraduate program, he or she will have 2 options of bachelor degree. One is the bachelor degree with honors, and the second option is bachelor degree with honors and research. Now let us see what about the postgraduate, that is PG program as per the NEP 2020. The structure and lengths of PG program shall be of either 1 year or 2-year duration, with an exit options within this period, with appropriate certifications. Students will be able to get admission in 1-year PG degree after completing a 4-year UG degree with honors or with honors and research degree. But the students with a 3-year UG degree will be eligible for a 2-year PG degree. An important aspect of the FYUG degree is that students who will complete a 4-year UG degree with honors and research are eligible for direct admission to doctorate degree program, that is PhD degree without PG degree. This is a benefit of the FYUG program. In case of research degree, the students after completing the FYUG degree with honors only must have to study 1-year postgraduate degree program. Then only he or she will get the opportunity to study the doctorate degree program. On the other hand, the students after completing the 3-year UG degree with major only must have to study 2-year postgraduate degree program to get admission in PhD degree program. A student who exit in between the program may again rejoin within 3 years of departure and complete the said degree within 7 years. The NEP 2020 supports the educational mobility of students having the freedom to study in higher education institutions in the country, which will easily result in obtaining degree, diploma or PG diploma, etc. For that, an academic bank of credit, that is, ABC, is set up as per the new National Education Policy. The ABC will be envisaged to facilitate the availability of appropriate credit transfer system from one program to another or one institute to another. The credits earned by all the students will be managed in their ABC ID. A video on how to link and create ABC ID is uploaded in this YouTube channel. You can check out this video in this I button. The link for the same is given in the description box also. You have to create your ABC ID and link it in your profile in Samarth portal later on. Now, before going into the course details of FYUG program, let us discuss some frequently used terms. Semester. A semester will consist of 15 to 18 weeks or 90 days of actual teaching. Academic year. 2 consecutive semesters, 1 odd and 1 even semester is an academic year. Odd semester may be scheduled from July to December and even semester from January to June. Program. It means an educational program leading to award of a degree, diploma or certificate. Course. A course is usually referred to as papers is a component of a program that define learning objectives and learning outcomes. A course may comprise of lectures L, tutorials T, laboratory works P, field work or outreach activities, project work, vocational training, seminars, assignments or a combination of some of these. Credit-based semester system, CBSS. Under the CBSS system, the requirement for awarding a degree or diploma or certificate is prescribed in terms of number of credits to be completed by the students. Now, what is credit? As per CBCS system, the academic achievements of a student is measured in terms of credits. Credit is a unit by which the course work is measured. It determines the number of hours of classes instructions required per semester. In case of theory and tutorial classes, 1 credit is equivalent to 15 classes in 1 semester or 15 contact hours in 1 semester or 15 number of classes. So, in a paper of 4 credits, there will be 4 into 15 which is equal to 60 lectures and tutorials, each class having 1 hour. While in case of practical classes, 1 credit is equivalent to 30 contact hours in 1 semester. That means, if there are 2 credits in a practical class, then you will have 60 hours of practical class in a semester. Now, let us come to the details of the FYUG course. In addition to the major and minor subject, a student have to study the following 4 papers. The Ability Enhancement course, or in short EC. In this course there will be paper from Modern Indian Language or English language, focused on language and communication skills. Multidisciplinary course, MDC. These are 5 different groups of subjects, namely natural and physics science, mathematics, statistics, and computer applications, library, information, and media sciences, commerce and management, and humanities and social sciences. The level of these courses are of class 12. A student have to select any one paper from these courses. Skill Enhancement courses, or SEC. These courses are aimed at imparting practical skills, hands-on training, soft skills, etc., to enhance the employability of students. The student can choose any SEC paper from the courses offered by a particular college or institute. Value-added courses, or VAC. VAC includes Understanding India, Environmental Science or Education, Digital and Technological Solutions, Health and Wellness, Yoga Education, Sports and Fitness. A student have to take a paper from this course. There will be an internship course also in the 4th semester. Internships with local industry, business organizations, health and allied areas, local governments such as panchayats, municipalities, parliament or elected representatives, media organizations, artists, craftspersons, and a wide variety of organizations on a field-based learning in terms of a minor project that attempts to provide opportunities for students to understand the different socio-economic contexts or a community engagement and service, field-based learning or minor project. In FYUG program, under Gauhati University, there will be 3 types of degrees. First one is degree with major and minors. In this case, a student have to study 1 major subject which consists of 15 courses and 2 minors which consists of 6 courses, 3 for each minor. The student can also utilize the free credits to study another minor as well, 3 more core courses in another subject. The second one is degree with double major. In this case, a student needs to utilize all the free credits, 12 in total, to study 3 more courses of one of the minors and earn another 24 credits from massive open online courses, that is, MOOCs, subject to permission. on the same minor to earn total credit of 48. In this case, the student gets a second major in that subject, the minor subject. It should however be noted that a second major, or double major, can be obtained only if the student earns the first major. The third one is degree with without major or minor only. In this case, a student have to study all the 3 core courses equally over a period of 3-year program. Now, let us see the FYUG program details under Gauhati University in semester-wise. As per the information booklet on Gauhati University FYUG program, updated at 18 o'clock hours on 14th July 2023, there are 2 types of courses, A. Core courses and B. Common courses. The core courses include major course and minor subjects, while the common courses include the subjects VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC. Now, let us first try to understand the degree with major and minors. In first year, that is, in first and second semester, a student has to study 3 different core subjects, 1 paper of each subject per semester. Besides, one needs to study a host of common subjects. That means in first semester, you have to study a total of 7 papers. 1 major paper, 2 minor papers, 1 each from 2 minor subjects, 1 VAC paper, 1 SEC paper, 1 MDC paper, and 1 AEC paper. The total number of credits in semester 1 is 4 plus, 4 plus, 4 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 3 plus, 2, which is equal to 22. In second semester also the total number of credits is 22. After completing the first year program of 2 semesters, a student may have the option to exit with AUG certificate. In third semester of second year, a student have to study 3 different core subjects, 1 major paper, and 2 minor papers, minor 1 and minor 2. In addition to that, a student have to study a SEC paper and a MDC paper. Along with that there will be an internship. The total number of credits in third semester is also 22. However, students will have the opportunity of clearing it by the end of the 6th semester. As internships are meant to be done during semester breaks, they will not interfere with other classes. In 4th semester of second year, a student have to study 4 papers from major subject, each having 4 credit, and a VAC paper, having 2 credit. So, the total number of compulsory credits in 4th semester is 18. But, here, a student may take 3 optional core papers from the minor course, from any one minor, each having 4 credit to earn total credit of 48 in that minor paper. In this case, the student gets a second major in that subject, the minor subject. But, if you are not interested for degree with double major, then no need to study these optional core papers. After completing the second year program of 4 semesters, a student may have the option to exit with AUG diploma. In third year, that is, in 5th and 6th semester also, a student have to study 4 papers from major subject, each having 4 credit, but, here, you have to study an AEC paper, having 2 credit. So, the total number of compulsory credits in 5th and 6th semester is also 18. Provided that, you have not taken the optional core papers in case of double major. After completing the third year program of 6 semesters, a student may have the option to exit with AUG degree with major. In the FYUG program, the 4th year, that is in semester 7 and semester 8, is at par with the first year of a master's program, as a student can directly take admission into the second year of a master's program after the successful completion of the FYUG program. In the 4th year, a student has to complete 1 compulsory paper on research methodology, that is REM paper in the 7th semester, which is a 4 credit theory paper. The rest of courses will consist of advanced core courses and a dissertation depending on whether a student opts for a degree with honors or degree with honors and research. If you want to get a degree with honors and research, then you have to do a project work under the guideship of a professor from your department. Now, let us see details of the 3-year bachelor degree with minors but no major. The schematic structure is shown in the figure. The salient features of this type of degree are: this student has chosen to study all the 3 subjects equally. So, at the end of 3-year course, the student will have 3 minors, for example, each in physics, chemistry and mathematics in case of science discipline, or history, political science, and economics in arts discipline. Secondly, the student can however choose to convert one minor to a major in the 4th year. There will be some specific guidelines. Thirdly, there will not be any open credit in this case. The link for the syllabus of FYUG degree program of Gauhati University under NEP is given in the description box. You can download the syllabus from that link. You will also get the link for the curriculum and credit framework for the 4-year undergraduate program based on NEP 2020 under Gauhati University in the description box. Now, let us see the examination and assessment pattern. The performance of a student will be measured in terms of letter grade in CBCS system. The letter grade is actually an index of the performance of students in a set course. The grades are denoted by letters O, A+, A, B+, B, C, P and F. There is a grade point associated with each letter grade. Grade point is a numerical weight allotted to each letter grade on a 10-point scale. In this 10-point scale, if a student secures marks in a paper in the range 90 to 100, then he or she will get a letter grade O, and for that, the student will get a grade point of 10. Likewise, for the marks in the range 80 to 89, it is a plus letter grade for which the student will get a grade point of 9. Similarly, for the marks in the range 70 to 79, 60 to 69, 50 to 59 and 40 to 49, the letter grades will be A, B+, B and C respectively, for which the student will get a grade point of 8, 7, 6 and 5 respectively. But, below 40 marks, it's a F grade for which the student will get 0 grade point, that means fail. For example, if a student secures 72 marks in a paper, then this mark falls in the range 70 to 79, so he or she will get a letter grade of A and the grade point will be 8. Is it clear? I hope so. Now, the grade point of a student in a paper will be converted into credit point. So, what is credit point? Credit point is the product of grade point obtained in a paper and the number of credits for that paper or course. Then the credit points obtained in all the 6 papers in a semester is added to get the total credit point. Finally, the overall performance of the student in that semester is measured in terms of the semester grade point average, that is, SGPA value. SGPA value is a measure of performance of work done in a semester. It is the ratio of total credit points secured by a student in various courses registered in a semester and the total course credits taken during that semester. It shall be expressed up to 2 decimal places. Let us see how to calculate the SGPA. For example, suppose a student have 6 papers, namely Major Paper 1, Minor Paper 1, IDC, AEC, SEC, and BAC papers having 4, 3, 2, 3, 4 credits respectively, and the student have secured letter grades of A, B+, B+, B, B, and B respectively. Then, the grade points for Major Paper 1 will be 8, Minor Paper 1 will be 7, IDC Paper 7, and that for the papers AEC, SEC, and BAC paper will be 6 each. Now, The credit point for major paper will be 4 into 8 equal to 32. The same for minor paper will be 4 into 7 equal to 28. And for IDC paper, it will be 3 into 7 equal to 21. And that for the papers AEC, SEC, and VAC paper will be 2 into 6 equal to 12, 3 into 6 equal to 18, and 4 into 6 equal to 24. Thus, the total credit point will be 32 plus 28 plus 21 plus 12 plus 18 and plus 24, which is equal to 135. After that, the SGPA is calculated by dividing the total credit point by the total number of credit in that semester of all the papers. Thus, in this example, the SGPA is equal to 135 divided by 20, which is equal to 6.7. In this way, the SGPA obtained in all the semesters is obtained. Finally, from the SGPA, a cumulative grade point average, that is CGPA, is determined. The CGPA is the measure of overall cumulative performance of a student over all semesters. The CGPA is the ratio of total credit points secured by a student in various courses in all semesters and the sum of the total credit of all courses in all the semesters. It is expressed up to 2 decimal places. For example, suppose the SGPA obtained in all the semesters by a student is like this: Semester 1 6.7, Semester 2 7.8, Semester 3 6.4, Semester 4 6.0, Semester 5 7.5, Semester 6 6.7, Semester 7 6.9, and in Semester 8 8.0. Then, the CGPA will be 20 into 6.7 plus 20 into 7.8 plus 20 into 6.4 plus 20 into 6.0 plus 20 into 7.5 plus 20 into 6.7 plus 20 into 6.9 plus 20 into 8.0 divided by 160, which is the total credit. This implies that SGPA is equal to 135 plus 156 plus 128 plus 120 plus 150 plus 134 plus 138 plus 160, which is equal to 1121. And 1121 is divided by 160, then we will get 7.0. That means the CGPA of the student is 7.0. I hope this video is very helpful for the students enrolled in the FYUG program. Wish you good luck for your future endeavor. Thanks a lot for your patience.